Hi there traders. So I'm currently holding my oil long, and I wanna speak why I was taking the trades and what I was seeing when we look in the price action. So that's let's go in, because that's where all my history is. I don't want to delete anything here, that's why I have another one here. So let's delete all these things. So the first thing what we have to understand is we have this original zone here, and we see straight away when price is going higher, going. One thing what you have to understand, I'm very patient person. I'm not forcing absolutely any trades. If I miss the trades, I'm not looking anymore to jump in. I'm waiting when the price is going another level and make another pattern for me to going in. Like, I'm very patient and I'm gathering much information what is possible. Like, I need loads of confirmations, like I need candlestick confirmation, Fibonacci confirmations, patterns confirmations, structures confirmations, and let's talk about those confirmations right now. So when the prices was going back down here, the first thing what I noticed was we have this W pattern here with the breaking structure and going back higher. But the breaking structure wasn't strong enough, but it was strong enough to use the Fibonacci principle. So now when we use our Fibonacci here, so it wasn't structure break, but it was the break of the Fibonacci. So when we use the Fibonacci right now, and we see when the price is now pulling back to the same zone, so what was happening? So the price is actually respecting all those three numbers here, the 618, the 0.7 and 786. So you see perfectly how price is respecting those same numbers here. So when we're gonna delete right now all this, so the second thing we see actually basically the same thing. This is basically the W pattern here, and now we see, so we had a higher time frame breaking structure in the Fibonacci, and then we have lower time frame breaking structure. So now when I'm gonna do the same thing now here, I'm gonna use the Fibonacci. So what we see again here, so how the price is respecting all those same numbers again. In that confirmation I was already like, okay, the price is actually wanna go now higher, so let's zoom in and let's find some levels, like when I'm gonna delete those things now, and we see again we have this W pattern here with breaking structure and retest. And when you're looking all those W patterns right now here, you see straight away it's going higher, higher, higher. So when we're going back right now, this one here, so I'm gonna show you my zones right now back here. So, and the price is right now here, and the price was last time here. So that's my zone, what was the last zone, and that was my rejection zone, what I was using still because the price is now back in the same area. So, and what we see straight away, the price is actually respecting my previous rejection zone nicely, and my previous holder zone. So that's my previous holder zone. And now, so when we have this Fibonacci respect, so we're not gonna put this one here. You see how we break this trend line. We break this trend line above and retest that trend line. So I was waiting after that retest some bullish confirmation, and now we see this huge candlestick. So I'm gonna go back this one here, and I'm gonna delete everything. So I'm gonna show you something now. So that's the same huge bullish candlestick. So if you're gonna box this candlestick in, so we see how we retest that candlestick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and that was enough confirmation for me to go long here. So that was enough confirmation for me to go long here, and that was the reason why I was taking that trade. So we have these W's here, so we have Fibonacci principles, trend lines, you know, loads of little details what you have to understand. And the same thing if you want to use, you know, more structure here. You see how the price was going back, you know, kind of like what you think, retest or no. Like when we're gonna push maybe this one here, and we're gonna push this one here, you know, looks like the price wanna break it, fail, retest, going lower, try to break, fail. Like if you're gonna zoom in and you see those, you know, you see those dojis and impulsive candlesticks, you know, here is doji breaking back, here is doji breaking back, you know, those trend lines are, you know, you have to kind of like understanding what you're looking for, you know, you have to have good how to say, good I don't know how to say that, to be honest, in English language. I know my language, but it's if I'm gonna tell you, nobody understand anyway. So those I'm gonna delete because I don't need those things anymore, and that was the reason why I was taking the trade. I'm still holding the Bitcoin trade too, but we already talked Bitcoin trade last video. I'm still holding that. So we have today, we actually have this breaking structure when we're gonna look this one here. So this zone is meant to go higher, so now price is actually going to retest that zone, and maybe we're gonna hit even take profit today. Will be lovely. Let's gold. Yeah, retesting those things. Nasdaq, Dow Jones. What's happening here? Damn. Nice. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish today's video. Nice little information to, you know, put in your back pockets. And yeah, I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. Ciao.